Imagine, you are inside a dream, where time moves slowly, and every sound turns into a story. Keep your eyes closed, and let us begin. The house belonged to a family of 4. A father named Raj, a mother named Meera, and their 2 children, Arif and little Riya. They were not rich. In fact, they struggled every day. Raj worked as a bicycle repairman in a small shop near the market. His hands were always covered with grease, and his clothes smelled like oil. But every evening when he returned home, his tired face would brighten the moment he saw his children running toward him. "Papa!" Riya would shout happily. Raj would lift her into his arms and laugh. Meera worked hard at home. She cooked simple meals, cleaned the house, and sometimes stitched clothes for neighbors to earn a little extra money. Their meals were simple, sometimes just rice and vegetables. But their dinner table was always full of laughter. Every night they sat together, shared stories, and talked about their day. Their house was small, but their happiness was huge. One day something unexpected happened. Raj's repair shop suddenly closed because the owner decided to sell the place. Raj lost his job overnight. That evening he walked home slowly, his heart heavy with worry. "How will I feed my family?" he thought. When he entered the house, Arif and Riya ran toward him like always. But Raj forced a smile. During dinner he stayed quiet. Meera noticed something was wrong. Later that night she gently asked, "What happened?" Raj sighed and said softly, "I lost my job today." For a moment the room became silent. But Meera didn't panic. Instead, she smiled gently and held his hand. "Don't worry," she said. "We are together. We will face this together." The next morning something beautiful happened. Arif started helping neighbors carry groceries to earn a few coins. Little Riya helped her mother with stitching work. Meera cooked extra food and began selling homemade snacks in the market. And Raj, he didn't give up. Every day he searched for work. Sometimes he returned home tired and disappointed. But every evening his family welcomed him with smiles. No complaints, no sadness, only love. The emotional turning point. One rainy afternoon, Raj was walking through the market when he saw an old broken bicycle lying outside a shop. An idea came to his mind. He used his small savings to buy some tools. Then he started repairing bicycles outside their little house. First, customers were few. But Raj worked honestly and charged very little. Slowly, people in the village began to trust him. "Go to Raj," they said. "He fixes bicycles with care." Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Soon, Raj's small roadside repair place became very popular. One day, a businessman from the town saw his work and offered him a proper shop. Raj could hardly believe it. His eyes filled with tears. That evening, he rushed home with the good news. "Meera, Arif, Riya, we did it." The children jumped with joy. Meera smiled proudly. Their hard days were finally ending. Years passed. Raj's repair shop became the most trusted shop in the town. The family moved into a slightly bigger house. But one thing never changed. Every evening they still sat together for dinner. They still laughed. They still shared stories. One day Arif asked his father, "Papa, when were we happiest? Now or before?" Raj smiled. He looked at his family and said, "We were happiest when we stood together during our hardest days. Because happiness doesn't come from money. It comes from love." And that little family continued to live with the same simple truth. A house becomes a home not because of its size, but because of the love inside it. Life lesson. True happiness does not come from wealth or big houses. Comes from love, unity, and standing together during difficult times.